Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Sushil, your dost. So it's been a long time where we have posted something or seen something related to physics. So this time I'm coming out with something important for class 10 students. Yeah, so the chapter light, reflection and refraction. So this is chapter number 10 in the CBSE NCERT textbook. One important thing, please remember my dear students, this chapter is very important in terms of numerical. Please understand, this chapter is very important in terms of numerical and ray diagrams. Most of the times we have questions being asked as a numerical or in terms of ray diagrams. So we have two chapters in 10th standard which is very important in terms of numerical. One is light and the other chapter is current. So my dear students, keep in mind these chapters are really very important. So today we are going to discuss something related to light. So that's our module 1. So my dear students, what do you understand by the term light? Say for example, I take you to a dark room and I close you in that room. Will you be able to see things around you? Will you be able? I don't think so you can see anything around you. But the moment I turn on the light, what happens? I'm sure that you can see the things around you. So can I build a definition that light is a form of energy that enables us to see the things around us? So can I build a definition? Do I need to by heart anything? Please understand. So can I say that light is a form of energy that enables us to see the things around us? Yeah. So let's see what is light. So light is a form of energy that helps us to see objects. We have, when the light falls on the object, it reflects the light, and when the reflected light reaches our eyes, that is how we see the object. Now what's the meaning of this point? Please understand. Now you might have a doubt that how can we see the objects around us? Please understand. Now what happens is when the light falls on any object, the objects will reflect the light rays. And these reflected light rays reach our eyes, and that is how we see the objects which are around us, which are present around us. I hope you are clear with this point. And then we have light travels in a straight line. Please understand, this is nothing but a rectilinear motion. The property of light, that light always travels in a straight path. So light always moves in a straight path or moves in a straight line. And we have different phenomena related to light. That's nothing but formation of shadow, twinkling of stars, bending of light from one medium to another, and the formation of rainbow. So these are the basic different phenomena, that takes place because of the help of light. I hope we are clear with this slide. So now when we see here, we have different concepts: the formation of rainbow, the bending of, you can see that the straw in that image, it has been bent. So the bending of all this process, the bending phenomenon takes place. That's nothing but refraction that takes place because of this phenomena called as light. Now we have very important concept now, my dear students. What is reflection? Please understand. Now early morning when we get ready, we see ourselves in the mirror, yes or no? Now what do I see in the mirror? I see something called as reflection. I see my image, yes or no? Now what is reflection? Let's build the definition. Reflection is nothing but it is the reflection is nothing but it is the bouncing back of light into the same media. I repeat once again, what is reflection? It is the bouncing back of light into the same medium. That's called as reflection. So when light falls on a highly polished surface like a mirror, most of the light is sent back into the same media or same medium. This process is called as reflection of light. So I hope, my dear students, you're clear with this concept. This is very important, that what is reflection. So in simple words, just understand, reflection is the bouncing back of light into the same medium. So what is reflection one last time? It is the bouncing back of light into the same medium. Let's go with one important question. My dear students, this is a very important question, that is laws of reflection of light. Now students, if I say that we can remember laws of reflection in just less than 50 seconds, will that be amazing? So just less than 50 seconds, laws of reflection will be understood, will be remembered by all of us. How? Now let's understand. Now look into the diagram. You can see that this is my incident ray, this is my reflected ray, and this is my normal. Yeah, so can I say one point? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie at the same plane. Yes or no? Now if you see the diagram once again, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So can I say that my second law is nothing but angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection? How much time did I take? How much time did I take? Can I say hardly 30 seconds? Just by remembering the diagram. So learn something in physics. The moment you remember the diagrams, the things becomes easier, my dear students. The things becomes simpler. Keep that in mind. So with the help of diagram, I can define the laws of reflection. So let's see. The first law, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That's what we had proved. The second law, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So my dear students, if you observe, just by remembering the diagram, we have built our definition. So do we need to by heart? Do we need to by heart? I am sure you will say no, we need not by heart. That's all. So please, my dear student, understand, when it is required to mug up, let's by heart. But when we can understand the concept with the help of diagram, I'm pretty sure things will become much more simpler. Yeah, so that's all in this module. I hope you are clear with the concept. What is light, what is reflection of light, and what are the laws of reflection. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, please like the video, and please do share it. Thank you so much. Stay safe.